Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tip you may have, cast that shit away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So, how the fuck is everyone? I am in utter shock that this is actually here because it has been so long since I've fucking gotten one of these. I think they just didn't really update my new address. I kept telling them, and because I'm not technically a subscriber, they do send this to me for free. I think they just got confused. So my old apartment, somebody is rocking like 5 BoxyCharms for free. Lucky bitches. But we have it today. I am also very, very confused because they keep asking me if I want to do BoxyLux, which fuck yes I do. That seems like an awesome subscription. Hopefully they do that because I would love to show that to you. But let's go through the whole spiel. Let's see if I even remember it because it has been so goddamn long. Oh, what's, okay. I'm like a bird trying to fucking mate. Well, that did nothing. I always see them do that in the movies. Okay, we just won't turn our head today. So, like, anytime that I get anything for free, I will always let you know, and BoxyCharm does provide the service to me at no charge to review for you, but does that mean I'm gonna sugarcoat a damn thing? Fuck no. If I like this, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll let you know. But BoxyCharm was, and still is, probably my all-time favorite makeup subscription. You just get a whole lot of shit for not very much. I believe the price now is $25 because you get kind of a bigger box now. Last time we did these, they were $20 and the box was about half this size. So $5 more for twice the product, that shit ain't that bad. You're definitely getting well worth your money when you get the subscription box. I really like it. I've had quite a few subscriptions and none of them really compare to this because you get full size shit in here versus like the little samples. Ain't nothing wrong with little things, but honey, if we can have big, we want big. If at any point throughout this video you would like to become a BoxyCharmer, they did provide me with the code, which I will link to you down below, but please do not feel obligated to go through me. The link is there if you want it. I'm just saying. Oh my god. It's starting to storm outside. It storms so fucking much here. What the hell? I'm ready to go back into the heat. There's nothing more powerful than a gay in a swimsuit by a pool. Oh my gosh. You want to talk about big dick energy? That is where it's at. Here it is colder than a nipple ring in Alaska. I don't like it. I am, nasty. Let's open this bitch up. Oh god, ruined my nice pen. Oh god, it actually did chip it. R.I.P. you dirty bitch. So usually what I like to do is kind of do this almost like a gift, like just open it and feel around. It kind of reminds me of my old days at a bathhouse. You just reach into that hole and you never know what you're gonna get. But before we dive in too far, let's take a look at this month's theme, which is breaking the ice. I don't know if it's gonna be like blue themed things or I don't know, maybe winter products. Like I need anything more reminding me of the winter. Okay, let's see. Let's feel around for our first thing. Ooh, it's very cold. I literally just got this out of my mailbox outside. It's been there for a few days. So what is this? Probably something that shouldn't have been frozen. Ooh, this is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It has glowing radiance and it softens. This is perfect for radiant, petal soft skin. It's just a dream away. You can use it as a sleeping mask or you can use as a wash-off mask. Okay. Let's open it up and God, that is colder than my soul in high school. Oh, God. Ooh, it queefed a little when I opened it. It smells like watermelon. I am not a watermelon fan. I'm gonna tell you that fucking right now. I don't like that smell, but it is very, very softening. Like, it's instantly softening, so I might give this a try tonight. Make sure you follow me on social media and I'll probably give you an update with how this works on my skin. Okay, so once it's blended in, it's not as watermelon-y and I can actually like handle it. It's kind of like candy. All right, I like that. That turned a negative into a positive, which is good with almost everything except STDs. So I will set that to the side. We will use it a little bit later. I'm curious if it has dimethicone in it because it does feel extremely soft, like sensually soft. Like a freshly waxed and moisturized nugget pouch. Let's move the fuck on to the next item. Here we go. We have something flat, finally a retainer holder for me. No, this is Wander Beauty. I love this brand like so fucking much. Wander Beauty Trip for Two Brush and blah. My tongue is still a little bit twisted from doing multiple things with it last night. Oh, I really like the way that feels. I know packaging really doesn't mean jack shit, but it kind of has like a snake skin texture. That's cool to me. It just makes it feel a little bit more luxurious. Oh my, oh me, oh my. That is a bright poppin' blush. I kind of like it. I'm really not that huge of a blush fan, but we'll try it probably. And that bronzer, it's nice too. It looks like a nice baked bronzer. Let's go ahead with both our fingers and feel those. Wow, I was gonna make a sex joke, but these are way too soft to, like, ignore. Wow. Oh, what just happened to my voice? These are incredibly soft and velvety. Let's swatch those right there. Oh shit, I'm dropping stuff. I am not unhappy. The only thing that I'm concerned about is with these really fucking pigmented blushes and bronzers, if you pick up the tiniest bit, it can be too much. So I'm a little bit concerned about that, but I'm glad we swatched it because now I know to go in lightly with the brush. I'm really excited for this. And I feel like you could probably also use these as eyeshadows, though I kind of have a feeling we might be getting a palette in today's box. So next up we have something square, something big. Is that a bar of soap? No, it's Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. Ooh, I don't think I've ever owned or tried a Too Faced highlighter that I can remember. I probably reviewed one on here and don't even remember. But cute packaging. Ooh, yes, it's your time to shine, honey. That is me every day. Oh, and it's got a little tiny baby nip right there. Just a ooey. What is that for? Is it like a press and launch button? Is this going to be catapulted out of here? I'm confused. It's like a light button. Okay, well, anyway, here it is. That is so beautiful. It's multi-chrome. It goes from green to gold to pink. That is stunning. I really haven't been super into Too Faced lately, only because their launches have not interested me. I kind of forget about them, but that is very, very, very pretty. Ooh, it's a little bit sparkly, the slightest bit chunky. I don't think you can even see that at all. It's very, very bright. It does have potential to be blinding. I really like that. Oh, I hope you can see the shift. I know my camera kind of blows shit out. They take after their daddy. They love blowing. And this box is getting very light. I need to know its diet. But we have a few more items. Here we have something long. Finally, a pocket vibrator. I don't know. It is all wet. Oh, it's sweating from being inside. This is a I thought that said grandmama. It is Grande Drama. Okay, this is what happens when Nady doesn't wear his glasses. Intense thickening mascara with castor oil. We love things thick, don't we? Ooh, fun packaging. It's like brushed gold. Not that packaging really matters, but it helps sometimes. Oh god. Here we go. Let's see exactly how thick it is. Is it a shower or a grower? Okay, that's nice. That's real cool. So let's go ahead and move on. I think we have one more item in here, do we? Let me take a peek. Yes, we do. This is an Ace Beauty palette. I love this. I was first introduced to them through BoxyCharm, and since then I've fallen in love. I have quite a few of their palettes. They are very, very good quality. I hope the palette I have isn't this one. This seems familiar. Scarlet Dusk? I don't know. I really like that palette. It's very, very fall-esque. But I wonder if I have this palette. Hold on, let me look. All right. No, that is not the palette. The palette I have is the Grandiose palette, and they actually sent these to me with a bunch of, like, essential oils. I think it was part of their shtick. Oh, yes, it was, because there's, like, rose, patchouli, jasmine, clove, myrtle. Things that would be essential oils. I love the tits out of this palette, so I know I'm gonna really enjoyed this one. Even though it does look a little bit similar to the other one that I got, this too is really, really pretty. Like, I'm excited to use that and create a nice dark vampy look. So before we do jump our little asses into a look, let me go ahead and read off everything that came in here and give you the prices. So this Too Faced Cosmetic Diamond Light Highlighter retails for 36 bucks. Really? Damn, I gotta charge more for my highlighters, because really? Well, okay, I mean, it's definitely pretty, but anyways, this says, this one-of-a-kind highlighter is infused with real crushed diamond powder and light-reflecting pearls for a brilliant, fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. Well, lottie fucking da, how about that? Okay, so this Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette retails for $34.99. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and most excellent color payoff. Next, we have the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo, which retails for $36. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of fucking money for a blush and a highlighter. Damn. Doesn't matter though, we only pay $25 for the whole box. So, add buildable warmth and a flush of color to the skin with this long-wearing sun-kissed duo made with a hydrating blend of mango seed butter and sunflower seed oil to help soothe and brighten, enriched with lotus flower and sea buckthorn extract to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, if you say so, that blush sounds magical. Then we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping sleeping mask, which retails for $22. How is that the cheapest thing that we've gotten so far, yet it looks the fanciest? The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that soothes and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. Then last but not least, we have this thickening mascara, which retails for 25 bucks, designed by the maker of the cult classic favorite Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I have heard of that. That's interesting. Well, do I feel spoiled? So, I actually do have a few videos that I'm probably going to be filming today, so we're just going to do a nice simple look, but I do want to show you how these products work, so let's hop into it. I'm kind of toying with the idea of maybe using this as a primer. Am I allowed to do that? Oh, nope, never mind. It actually is a face mask that you have to wash off, so we'll just use normal primer. For that, I'm going in with a little bit of Laura Mercier. For foundation, I kind of want fuller coverage today. I don't know why, because I'm going to be wiping this shit off in like half an hour, but I'm gonna bring back an old classic. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade 02 Natural. Prepare for it not to match my skin color. Then for Consuela, I'm going in with my all-time fave, Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Vanilla. I've been so uninspired with like everything makeup lately. I don't know if anybody else has been feeling that way, but I've just been like so blah to everything. And I think it's just because there are so many fucking ugly-hearted people in the beauty world. Like makeup can cure any kind of ugly on the outside, but honey, it will never touch anything on the inside. And I'm over negativity and I'm over drama, and so I decided that this year I'm going to ignore all that, come on here, do my own thing, doesn't matter who is behind the fucking brand like usual. If there's drama behind them, I don't care, they can keep their drama, but here on this channel, it is always gonna be a house of love, and I think I just kind of forgot that for a second. So I'm ready to start this year with new content, things that might not even pertain to makeup, because there is more to life than beauty, and I really want you guys to be able to get to know me more, I'm gonna get to know you more, and so it's gonna be a nice year. I can feel it. I'm gonna set underneath my eyes with some RCMA translucent setting powder. We'll place that right there, and I'm sure half of it will end up on my shirt. Good thing the police never come to my door. They'll think I'm cutting crack up here. And there we go. The video's demonetized. Then on the rest of my face, I'm gonna take some L'Oreal True Match powder and just give it a nice set. We'll go ahead and prime our face balls with some NYX eyeshadow base. And now for this look, I don't know, what do we want to do? Do we want to do a pinky red one or an orangey one? Kind of feeling like a pinky red one. So let's start off with a little bit of Lotus. I'm just taking that on a clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to place this all over the eye. Oh, nope, I'm not. That is definitely darker than I thought it'd be. So let's take this in the crease and use it kind of as a transition shade. So I'm going to take this back and forth all along the eyeball, and we'll blend it upwards towards the brow. It is a very pretty color. It's like a nice subtle mauve. I kind of have a feeling that I'm probably going to go over this with maybe one of those oranges after we add some of the red. Next, let's take some, ooh, I don't know, I guess maybe some Bahamas. And I am going to just place it right here and kind of build it up along the crease. I'm not blending it out yet because I'm going to blend it out with another shade, but I'm placing it right here kind of on the hood of my eye so that it adds a little bit of deepness there. And because I'm probably going to end up cutting the crease today, I'm also going to bring it right down here as well towards the inner eye. Very, very pretty color. Like this is super duper pigmented. That was just dipping in once. And I'm not sure if it's just because I'm very simple at heart, but even with just like how it is now, I would be fine with just putting a little shimmer on the lid as well and like calling it a day. So this is definitely one of those kind of one and done palettes, or like two and done palettes, just because I want to see what the other colors look like. I'm gonna dip into the what is this, crimson? It's a very, very bright orange. I'm gonna take that and kind of smoke out the edges that I just laid down. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I see you, boo. And then once that's nice and distributed, I'm just gonna softly go over the edges and bring it up towards the brow so it kind of fades nicely upward. And then with a nice clean fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend that out even more. I'm not even sure if it'll move around much anymore because it's kind of stuck into place there. Seems to be blending out. There we go, cool. I'm gonna also take a little bit of sangria and mix it with Nocturnal, and we're gonna deepen up the outer corner here. I'm gonna push it into the eye socket, but I'm bringing it from the outer eye all the way to the inner eye, just kind of back and forth, making little pushing motions. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. And now for the lower lash, I'm gonna go in first with this crimson color and lightly blend that out all all along the lower lash line, back and forth. And then a bit tighter in the eye, I'm gonna go in with some sangria, pretty much right in between the lashes. And then right here where the outer edges meet, I'm just gonna take that clean, fluffy brush that I used earlier and diffuse it just a tiny bit. Oh my god, I just realized my microphone was out. I'm so sorry. All right, our face is slightly contoured. We need some bronzer, so let's lightly dip into this guy right here. Hopefully it's not too deep, but guess we'll see. I'm gonna take it right here, and I like to kind of tap mine in. It seems okay, I think. Yeah, I think that looks really nice. I like to take this pretty much everywhere that I contour though, so we'll take a little bit down the nose, underneath the jawbone. Then we can take a little tiny bit of blush, maybe a little bit more than that. Whew, she powdery. And let's start right there and kind of work it downwards, just like that. Oh, that's very subtle, which is perfect for me. Unless I'm doing drag or like a super extreme look, I don't love extremely poppin' blushes, but this I think is really, really pretty. And it blends out really easily too. Just for shits, I think I am gonna kind of go a little bit heavier on it today because we have such a pretty pink eye look. I don't care if there's a lot of blush on, it just kind of works. Feels so fierce like a competitive ice skater. And last but not least, we have my favoriteest part, which is the highlighter. So I'm gonna dip into that with a nice fluffy brush. This is a super chunky highlighter. Like even though it looks really soft, it comes off in huge glittery flecks. So I'm not sure that I love that. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on the skin. We'll put it right there. Yeah, it does go on the skin very chunky as well. I don't love that. Maybe it would be different with a fan brush. I don't know how it would be, but is it able to be blinding? Fuck yes. It's also a very, very thick highlighter. It's not the melt into the skin kind of thing. So to just help it pop a little more, I'm gonna spray my face with some setting spray. And then before it dries down, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more to really help it glow. There we go. And here we are with the final look. I totally did not intend on having purple lips. It kind of just happened. Maybe I'll switch it out because I really wanted to use this Fenty lipstick. That might look a little better. What do you think? I don't know. Let's quick wipe this off just for shits. There we go, bloody red wine always fucking wins. So I went in with Fenty's Uncensored and then mixed that with this ColourPop in the shade Mamacita. I gotta admit, I really fucking like this box, like everything in it. It is a little bit different from the past boxes. It seems like we get more like substantial things, so whatever they changed, I am very much on board with it. So if we were to add everything up that we got in today's box, it would be $154. Not too shabby, right? I know I get sent this for free, but I would honestly be very willing to pay $25 for this, which is saying a lot because I'm a cheap ass bitch. But there's nothing in here that I'm like disappointed in or would give away. Like, I'm definitely gonna use the mask. I'm gonna keep using this mascara, that highlighter. Even though I don't think it's worth the price, it is kind of cool. I think I liked it more on the eyes than on the actual face, but it's doing a pretty good job. That eyeshadow palette is beautiful. What else did we get? That bronzer and blush. I really like those. They are very, very subtle, but they did the job. So overall, I'm very pleased with this month. You go, BoxyCharm. And just as a reminder, if you would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link down below, but do not feel obligated to go through me. There's lots of other people, but I'm always grateful for anybody who does. But yes, thank you all so much for being here today. I love having you. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepopluxe.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at OfficialNady, and you can follow me online at thepopluxe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye!